Welcome to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty, and today, we've got something that's sure to elevate your holiday glam game. If you've been searching for a mascara set that can take your lashes to the next level, listen up. We're diving into the Maybelline Lash Sensational Holiday Makeup Kit, a limited edition duo that promises to give your lashes volume, length, and sparkle, perfect for the festive season. Before we get into the review, if you're enjoying honest and expert beauty insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty. So let's get into it. The Maybelline Sky High Duo Holiday Kit includes two full-size mascaras, the Sky High Mascara in Blackest Black and the Sky High Space Diamond Glitter Mascara. It's designed to give you sky-high lashes, literally. One's all about volume and length, and the other's here to give you that festive sparkle. Sounds like a dream for your holiday parties, right? First, let's talk about the main attraction, the Sky High Mascara. This one is known for its ability to add limitless length and full volume. The formula is designed to give you a clean, lifted look without clumping. The secret behind the Sky High effect? The Flex Tower Mascara brush, which bends to get every single lash from root to tip. It's meant to give you that wide-eyed look, and it definitely delivers on that claim. Next, we have the Sky High Space Diamond Glitter Mascara. If you want a little extra sparkle this season, this one's for you. The formula gives lashes a gorgeous, multi-dimensional glitter effect that catches the light just right. When layered over the Blackest Black mascara, it adds a stunning, sparkling finish to your lashes, perfect for that holiday party or New Year's Eve celebration. The glitter isn't overwhelming either, so your lashes still look natural, just with a little festive flair. I've been using both mascaras for a few days now, and let me tell you, they work as advertised. The Sky High Mascara is amazing at separating and elongating lashes without feeling heavy or flaky. It holds up well throughout the day, and while it's not waterproof, I didn't notice any smudging or flaking, which is always a win. The Space Diamond Glitter Mascara, on the other hand, adds the perfect amount of sparkle without feeling too glittery or chunky. It layers really well on top of the regular mascara for an extra pop. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Sky High formula is really lightweight, so your lashes don't feel weighed down. It's also super buildable, so you can go as dramatic as you like, whether you're going for a natural look or something a little more bold. The glitter mascara is also a huge plus if you love adding a festive touch to your everyday makeup. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons to consider. The Space Diamond Glitter Mascara doesn't have as much lasting power as the regular Sky High Mascara. After a few hours, you might notice some of the glitter settling under your eyes. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you're planning on wearing it for an extended period. Also, since both mascaras are washable, they do require a bit more effort to remove compared to waterproof formulas. In terms of value for money, I think this kit is well worth it. You're getting two full-size mascaras for the price of one high-end mascara, which is a great deal, especially since they offer different effects. If you're looking for both length and volume, as well as a fun, sparkly holiday look, this kit is definitely worth considering. If you're not sure if the Maybelline Sky High Duo is your perfect match, there are some similar alternatives worth checking out. L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise is a great budget-friendly option for volume and length. Or, if you're after a more high-end option, the Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara gives similar results in terms of volume and longevity. When it comes to packaging, I have to say this kit is a winner. It's festive, eye-catching, and would make a fantastic gift for any beauty lover in your life. Plus, it's compact enough to tuck into a stocking if you're looking for a last-minute gift idea. Before we wrap up, let me ask, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, Maybelline is a well-established brand, and I've never had issues with their customer support. They're pretty responsive to inquiries, and the brand's reputation for handling customer concerns is solid, which adds another layer of trust for me when recommending their products. To wrap things up, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Holiday Makeup Kit is a great option if you're looking to amp up your lashes for the holiday season. It offers a perfect balance of length, volume, and sparkle, making it versatile for all sorts of festive events. I love how the two mascaras complement each other, giving you options to create different looks. If you're looking for a lash kit that will serve you well throughout the holiday season, this is a solid pick. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it give you the lashes of your dreams? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.